3 IRS transcript codes that confirm your client has a balance due. Catch them early, and you can help before it escalates to collections. Code 1, 290 with a dollar amount. This means the IRS assessed additional tax. The amount next to 290 is what was added to the account. If your client did not expect an assessment, check for a 971 notice that explains why. Code 2, 170. This is a penalty assessed code. It appears when the IRS charges a failure to file or failure to pay penalty. The amount is the penalty itself. If your client qualifies for first-time penalty abatement, this is the code you are looking to get reversed. Code 3, 196. This is interest charged. The IRS assesses interest on unpaid balances, and it compounds daily. 196 shows the accumulated interest to date. When you see 290, 170, and 196 together, your client has a balance due with penalties and interest accruing. The longer they wait, the more it grows.
Urgent. Act fast. Set up a payment plan, request abatement, or pay in full. Transcript Tax Monitor proflags balance due codes and calculates the total owed. Free code lookup in the description.